Hey everyone, ever wanted to run your favorite Android apps on a Windows PC? Well, now you can, thanks to BlueStacks, the ultimate Android emulator. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to download, install, and run Android apps on your PC. Let's get started. Start by opening your browser. In the search bar, type BlueStacks and hit enter. Click on the first link in the search results to go to the official BlueStacks website. This ensures you're downloading it from a trusted source. Once you're on the website, you'll see a blue download button labeled Download BlueStacks. Click on it as shown in the video. A pop-up will ask you to save the file. Choose your preferred location and click Save to start the download. After the download is complete, open the file. When prompted, click Run to begin the setup process. Next, click on the Install button. Agree to the terms, and BlueStacks will start downloading additional files required for installation. This might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee and stay patient. Once all files are installed, click on the BlueStacks icon to open it. The initial loading might take a little time. Don't worry, it's setting everything up. After BlueStacks loads, you'll see system apps like Play Store, Chrome, and more. It's like having an Android phone right on your PC. To access apps, open the Play Store and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, it's super easy to create. Just follow the prompts. Once logged in, browse through the Play Store. You'll see all your favorite Android apps ready for download. Let's try downloading an app to see how it works. For example, search for Instagram, click Install, and wait for it to download. Once the app is installed, open it. And there you go. You're running Instagram on your PC without any hassle. With BlueStacks, you can run any Android app, games, social media, productivity tools, and more. It's that simple.